broadly, the transmission that we see in Washington State and across King County is high. It's on the upper end of many of the scenarios that we've modeled here.
Our top story now at noon, the State Department of Health just announcing guidelines for schools in the pandemic. And they say it's not safe yet for schools to resume in-person instructions. But they did outline some scenarios in which a hybrid model could work, some remote learning, some in classrooms. The key is that case rates just have to fall. When that happens, they say elementary school and special needs students should be the first ones allowed back inside buildings. Dr. Jeff Duchin, he's King County's version of Dr. Anthony Fauci, emphasizing we cannot put kids in school yet because there are so many unknowns still about COVID-19.
This is a new emerging outbreak. We don't know the long-term health impact of infections in younger people and young adults at this point.
Their report modeled health risks for in-person learning based on the models of COVID-19 numbers dropping. Without implementing health countermeasures, the report found that 17% of students and 24% of teachers and staff could be infectious while at schools, just not safe. Health measures like face masks, physical distancing, and grouping kids into smaller groups would all bring those risks down. This weekend would have been Washington State University's move-in day for students, but now the campus is urging kids to stay away, not just for their own health, but for everyone who lives in Pullman.
We don't want students to, think that they're going to get something by living here in Pullman rather than staying at home for this semester.
That was a fake background, by the way. According to Whitman County Public Health, the current risk of coronavirus spreading there is high, and the school is just fearful that if students come back, it'll make things worse.